Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to video 13. We're going to read There Is a Bird on Your Head in the Elephant and Piggie series. Yeah, okay. Ready? There is a bird on your head. Elephant and Piggie are sleeping. There's a bird that's coming down. Okay. And now there's a bird on the elephant's head. Elephant says, Piggie! Is something on my head? Elephant asks. Yes, Piggie says. There is a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head? Elephant said. Ah! I know. There's a bird, and the bird went flying because he was scared. Is there a bird on my head now? Elephant asked. No, Piggie says. Now there are two birds on your head. There's two birds on the elephant's head. What are two birds doing on my head? Elephant asked. They are in love. The birds on my head are in love? They are lovebirds, Piggie says. That's sweet. Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds? Elephant asks. They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? That's weird. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask, Elephant says. But, yes. You're watching Sid the Science Kid at the same time as listening to the story. Do I have an egg on my head? Elephant asks. It'll be your turn next. Yes. Yes, it'll be your turn next. Oh, no thank you. Piggie says, 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. What are eggs doing on my head instead? I know. Like, I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. Oh! Yes, say hi. I know. I know. Is that Sid? Sid? Look at. Okay. I know. I know. 3 eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching, Piggie says. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Elephant says. Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched, Piggie says. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds in a nest. That's a lot of stuff on the elephant's head. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Oh. Elephant yells, somewhere else! Piggie went flying because Elephant's so scared and he doesn't want them on his head. He doesn't want them on his head. I know. Why not ask them to go somewhere else, Piggie says. Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? The birds say, no problem. It worked, Elephant said. And the birds say, bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggie. Thank you very much. Now Elephant's happy. You are welcome, Piggie says. Look at all the birds are on Piggie's head now. Look at. I know. Look at. Isn't that fun? Isn't that a fun book? Yes. Yes, you can watch your show. Here. Here. You want to read? As you can see, sometimes it's not all that easy for us to get through a book together. He needs a little bit of a distraction. So he's got Sid the Science Kid playing on in the background on mute right now. So to keep his attention, it's kind of what we need to do sometimes. He needs more than one thing going on at a time. Sometimes he's happy sitting here by himself during a reading, and sometimes sitting on my lap will do it. He was a little upset that his drum wasn't working, so I have to look at why it's not working. Maybe the batteries are just dead. Hopefully that's it. And that caused a little bit of an outburst there, but we got through the book, and it was a good book. Right, bud? Mom's also out of town this weekend with her group of friends, so that may be throwing him off too. So, but, right, bud? High five? Yeah. Say bye. Say bye. Bye. See you later.